guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from beauty to hair to fashion to health and pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to tap dance on over to that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. So this video is sort of a part of a series. I am showing you guys vlogs of when I was in London, and I already did a separate Primark haul because Primark is just amazing. But I did some other shopping in other stores, so this is kind of the London shopping haul because there's not one specific store that I went to, and I probably did the most damage in Primark, so I will leave an iCard above of that Primark haul so you guys can see that. But let's hop into this haul, and I'm going to start off with Marks and Spencer. So you guys, Marks and Spencer, for all my US ladies, Marks and Spencer is kind of like an Ann Taylor or a Talbot's mixed in with New York & Company. So it's kind of like those three stores mixed in. The pricing ranges from like the New York & Company price all the way up to a Talbot's price. So some things were in there that were like 100 pounds, which is equivalent to maybe like 120 something US dollars. I don't really know the conversion, but somewhere around there. Google conversions and you can figure it out. This year, my staple, my go-to dress shoe or just shoe in general is going to be a block heel. I'm obsessed with block heels, and especially this kind of block heel. This is kind of like a tortoise kind of block heel. So it's kind of giving me Queen Mother vibes, but that's what I love. Cute, and they'll be absolutely darling with jeans as well as dresses, all those things. I have worn the other pair that are just like this. This is a size UK 6, which is the US. It doesn't have the US size, but I wear between a 9.5 and a 10, so that's what size I kind of wear. These are so cute, so cute. I had to get another pair, Joe. I'll see if I can find the style of this shoe. And I know you can, if you're in the US, you can buy from Marks and Spencer. They will ship to the US. So if I can find these shoes online, I will put the link in the description box. These were 19 pounds 50. In my opinion, the pink ones ran a little bit smaller than the black ones, so I got these in a 6.5. UK 6.5, which is equivalent probably to a 10-ish and a half. I don't know, US size. Don't get me to lie to you because I do not know, but these are super cute. A nice nude round toe. I've worn these already and they are quite comfortable. I literally wore them probably for 10 hours or so, and they maybe around the 10th hour I was like, okay, I need to take these off, but they were comfortable throughout the day, and they will be great for work day and also walking if you do a lot of walking. These shoes are made for walking. That's just what they do. And they're comfy, and I love a shoe that has a nice comfy insole because I have flat feet. Anyways, let's move on. Last but not least, from Marks and Spencer are these two rings. Okay, I'm gonna show you. They're two separate rings, two separate costs. The bottom one is gold plated and the top one is platinum plated. And I think this one was like 12 pounds, and I think this one was either 15 or 19 pounds. More than I wanted to pay, but it was really pretty, so I just got it anyway. Alright guys, I just forgot to add these into the haul. I picked these up at Superdrug in London. These are you can't really see it, but this is a Max Factor, what's that thing? Masterpiece Max Mascara, High Volume and Definition Mascara. I will do a review on these later. And I also was able to pick up the Patricia Bright the Patricia Bright lipstick. And you guys, I said London, but I forgot I'm gonna throw some Paris stuff in here as well, so that'll be next. Next up, Paris. I should have went to Mango in the UK. It would have been a little bit slightly cheaper, but I saw this top and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, absolutely my style. As you can see, it's a tie top. You can wear it loose or you can tie it. It probably looks the best tied. You can just wear it like this tied, or you can tie it in a bow, however you want. This was €17.99. I got this in a USA small. Again, this was from Mango, And I have some orange trousers that I purchased from Vasona last year, and I can't remember what I wore with it last year, but I specifically bought this shirt to wear with those mango trousers. Last but not least, I purchased these at the train station in Paris, the Gare du Nord, I believe that's how you pronounce it. These two perfumes are Fragnard, and this is the Bivionne, which is peony in English. And this kind of has like a floral peony fragrance. And both of these are extremely strong fragrances, like meaning that you only need 1 to 2 sprays. This one is so strong, I can just leave the box in a room by itself with no perfume. There's no perfume in this box, and the box just smells so strong. And this one is a violet, which in English is violet. You can actually purchase the Fragonard, I don't know how to pronounce it. You can actually purchase these perfumes online, and violet, you can see that, not my face. The violet. And I have not opened, I used this yesterday, but I put it back in the box. And this is the peony. It's such a cute little bottle. And I love this packaging as well. Yes. So, I think that was all that I got, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that super quick London, Paris shopping haul. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.